Hello, in front of me I've got POCO X5. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings. Enter password and security, screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got three types of screen locks: pattern, pin and password. I'm going to show you all of those methods. So firstly, let's select password and set your password containing at least 4 characters. Confirm it. And now let's use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select PIN. And again, let's use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select pattern. And now you have to create pattern containing at least 4 dots. Let's use it to unlock the phone. And now we can go further to fingerprint unlock. Unlock the menu and now tap the power button multiple times, but don't press it. And each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go back and select Face Unlock. Again, unlock it with your current password. Tap Start. Next, and now simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.